Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful purple look. Race you there. As always, I'll be brushing my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil. Brush, and I'll be doing that upwards like always. So for my eyebrow, I'll be using Davis eye pencil in the shade 003 to draw my outline, and I'm gonna fill that in using the same eye pencil. So I'll be drawing that hair-like straight line around the tip of my eyebrows like I always do, just to give it that natural look. And today I'm drawing my eyebrow. I'm striking the pencil lightly because I just want to make sure I get that simple natural look. So for my concealer, I'll be using L.A.GIRL Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna be using that to conceal my outline following the one I have just drawn with eye pencil. So I just wanted to give you a better view of how I draw this. It's not very easy, but you just have to take your time whenever you're doing your eyebrows because it's very essential in your makeup. Very, very essential. A good eyebrow defines the look of your face. So to get this right, you just need to follow the natural hair and the natural outline of your eyebrow. That's just it. So as always, I'll be using the excess from my brush to conceal the upper eyebrows. So after doing this, I'm going to blend the concealer off, and then I will go into prime my eyes. So for priming, I'll be using the same L.A.GIRL Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and this is how I like doing this. I like to apply a generous amount of this around that area and then go forth to blend it and distribute it using my hands mostly. But if you have your brush, because I simply can't find mine for a very long time now and I enjoy using this like this, so if you have your brush, you can make use of a brush to just dab and blend. So after doing this, I'll be using Pop Fill eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking that purple shade from it. I'll be using this as my transition shade, so I'll just take this and I'm gonna blend it around my crease in a circular motion, just like I'm doing right here. I'll just like doing this, just blend. Okay, so I've said this several times in my video, I like blending. So next I'll be going in with MK palette, and I'll be using that dark shade. It's purple actually, so but it's dark, sorry, it's darker, so I'll be using that very dark purple shade. And one thing I'm gonna do is that I will just pack this around that area. Yes, I'm going to pack this around that area. So to cut my crease, I'll be using L.A.GIRL Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Actually, I love this concealer. I love how easy it is to use. I love how easy it is to work with, and the consistency. Oh, it is just perfect. So I'll be using this to conceal. I'll be using it to cut my crease. So like I always like doing, I'll be using this going following the natural crease of my eyes. But in this case, I think I went a bit up. Yes, I did. I went a bit up because I just wanted to create something bigger. I just wanted to make my eyes more bigger. So to do this, I just have to go up a little more than the natural way. So after doing this, I'll go in to blend every part of it. I will blend. Oh, but yeah, I love blending. So I'm gonna blend every part of it. And after cutting your crease, the next thing you're gonna do is take your eyeshadow and go back with it. So I'm making use of that light purple that I just showed you. It has a bit of shimmer to it. So I'm making use of that shade, and I'm going to be packing this around that area that I just cut the crease with, and I will blend as I go, of course. So I'm making use of this flat brush to do this eyeshadow. So for the next step, I'll be going back using that M.K. palette eyeshadow, and I'll just take that particular purple shade that I used initially just to use it and create a soft corner around that side. Just wanted to use it to remove the sharpness of that crease that I just cut. So for my eyeliner, I'll be using Anastasia eyeliner gel in the shade black, and I'll use this to create my wing. Yes, so I got this very tiny, super tiny brush as a free gift from Anastasia eyeliner, and I've been enjoying this eyeliner ever since. It's really good. So I'm making this Anastasia. I'm gonna leak the secret to you guys. I love this eyeliner. So next, before I apply my lashes, I'll be going in with Huxia Beauty waterproof mascara. Then there it is, my Giselle 6D mink hair lashes. This is so beautiful. I love it. So next, for my face, I'm going to use Dobo. Pardon my pronunciation, but I just call it Dobo. So I'll be using Dobo Invisible Pore Face Primer. Then I will go in with Kiss Beauty foundation from Foundation Nation, and before going in with this, that's before blending it, I like using rose water to set my face. Then I will blend and go into highlighting using the same L.A.GIRL Pro Concealer. So now I'm making use of Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set my face. I'm not baking, set. So after this, I'm going to make use of Kiss Beauty powder to further set the whole place, but this time around I'm gonna go right down to my neck. So for my dark shades and the rest of the contouring, I'll be using Goo Flower contour palette. I'll be using this around my nose and my cheekbones, my forehead, and the rest of it. Wow. So for blushes, I'll be making use of Usher 2 color blusher, and I'm going to blush my cheekbones only. So for locking my face, I'm making use of Karat setting spray. Then I'll go in using the same highlights from the Goo Flower contour palette, and I'll be highlighting this area. So for my nose, I like making use of my hands to do this because it makes it more precise. So to finish up my look, I'll be going in with my gel eyeliner, Anastasia gel eyeliner, and I'm applying this around my waterline. So to further define my face, I'm making use of the Pop Feel eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this to go in to my under eye. I'm going to blend this totally around that area. So after this, I'm going to apply more mascara to my face, to my eyes, around my lashes and my lower lash line, just to further define my face. Then after this, I will go into I'll be lining my lips using Davis eye pencil. I used Davis eye pencil, yes, in the shade 003. So after that, I'll be going in with Iman lipstick in the shade deep pink. And after doing this is just the final look. I love that lipstick, it's beautiful. So I like doing this around my neck if I didn't go in with a liquid highlighter. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share to friends and family. See you on my next video. Kiss kiss, bye.